1985 I arrived. 33 years, damn I'm grateful I survived. We wasn't supposed to get past 25. Joke's on you, motherfucker, we alive. All these niggas popping now is young. Everybody say the music that they make is dumb.
Welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It. Today we're going to look at the Nike Air Max 90 Mixtape Side A. So yeah, better late than never. As always with these videos, I'm getting quite a bad rep doing these so late. So this is one half of the Air Max 90 mixtape pack. This is side A. It's the lighter lemon frost colorway, which is very nice indeed. It is my favourite pair out of the two that released in that pack. The upper consists of light bone, white and the lemon frost colour. So this pair is sort of like the Air Max 90, so it's a combination of a lot of previous Tinker Hatfield designs that were thrown on the Air Max 90 silhouette. And yeah, they're very popular pairs that have been used and combined to make this one. There's a lot of mesh used, as always on Air Max 90s there's quite a bit of mesh, but the mesh on these is a sort of shout out to the OG infrared Air Max 90s. Then we've got the lemon frost swoosh, which is my favourite part of the shoe, and the swooshes themselves have the ostrich sort of raised dot design on them, which is also a shout out to the OG infrared ostrich pair. The next bit we'll move towards the back. You get the standard Air Max badge as you get on 90s usually, and then on the back you got the cross stitches, which is from the Untold Truth pair. So the nubuck material running on the mudguard and that overlay on the lateral side and around the shoe is a shout out to the King of the Mountain pair. So it's a nubuck in the light bone and in that grey. Then we have on the medial side, we have a little bit of that moon landing print, so you get a few craters on there. So that's obviously a shout out to the Air Max 90 moon landing. On the insole we've got the cork on the insole, which is nicely padded but still cork. You can get that cork feel. That's obviously a reference to the Air Max 90 anniversary cork pair. The laces themselves in this lemon colour, these are a reference to the BRS Powerwall. BRS Powerwall had the exact same pattern on the lace, but they had it in different colours. I think it was purple, orange and black, something along those lines. Okay, so the tongue is nicely padded and it's in white. It's got that nice Nike branding on the top on that tab with the retro sort of logo. Then we've got the 33 1/3 RPM, which I think is the speed at which a record plays typically, but don't quote me on that. And then made in China and some product codes, and it states that it's light bone, white and lemon frost. So that's the upper. Then midsole is predominantly white. It's got the window for the airbag there, which has got the lemon frost colour inside there as well. Outsole is probably the best feature for me aside from the swoosh. So on outsole it has got white, but then a lot of it is translucent, so you can see the text that is written on there. So it says Air Max 90 Side A track list, and it has the track list on the one side. For me personally, this is one of the nicest Air Max 90s to come recently. I think lighter colours suit Air Max 90s the best, and this one is an absolute banger. The one thing that let this pair down out of everything, it would be obviously the Nike quality control. So the QC on these was a big fail. A lot of people are having a lot of issues with this pair. Personally, I've got a few stains and marks. I don't know if they're glue marks or whatever, but you might be able to see that one just on the back. But it's just something everyone's just got used to from Nike themselves. The price point on these was £110, so if you bought them from the sneakers app and you got the win on there, it would be £109.99, I think it was. If you did buy them from other retailers, it was varying from around £120 to £130, but anyone outside of the UK and Europe sides, you're looking at about £140, £145, something like that with shipping. The retail price for these was pretty fair. I mean, there's no issue with the retail price. I reckon it's a decent price for Air Max 90s. At least it's not 150 quid as standard. One issue I had with my pair personally is I didn't get the actual box that was meant to be sent with this pair. I got a replacement Nike box, which is a bit of a shame. I mean, I don't mind it being a standard Nike box. I mean, it's not a big deal, but then you'd want the original box with these to obviously match everything else. If you're a collector, it's something that sort of bother you a bit, but it's not that big of a deal, to be fair. But yeah, it's a shame I didn't get the actual box for these. I think it was a black slide out box like they do with the special pairs. That concludes my little look at the side A from the mixtape pack. I think this is the shoe of the summer for me. I haven't worn this pair yet. I'm gonna lace them up now for this on foot video, and I'll give you guys a quick look on how they are on foot. And yeah, that will be it for these. If you like this sort of content, drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, give me a follow on Instagram at @RockyDon'tStockIt. That's it for me. Peace.
Rip